How to create a shared Google Calendar. Everybody, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily create a shared Google Calendar. Open up Google Chrome first, go to Apps, and then simply find Calendar from here. Or if you don't see it, you can just directly search for Google Calendar, which I'm going to do right now. So let me just go ahead and search for Google Calendar, or you could just go to calendar.google.com. So if you already have certain calendars assigned or certain days or task assigned, it will be shown right here. Now, if you want to create a test calendar, so you want to share it, click on My Calendars and then click on plus. So all you have to do is go ahead and click on this plus icon. And then from here, you can create a new calendar. So what you can do here is name your calendar. So let me just go ahead and name it something like team meeting. Add a description. This is the official meeting and select the time. Once you select your time, go ahead and there are other options to customize. So I'm first going to go ahead and click on create calendar. Once your calendar is created, all you have to do now is go back and then you'll get your calendar. So here is the team meeting calendar. And you can further edit it by tapping on the three lines. So you can change the color of the meeting that will be visible here. So let me just select a blue color or the teal one or even yellow. So depending on the importance of this exact task or meeting, you can change the color. The next step is to actually share this. To share this, go to Share and Settings. Scroll down and here you can find the share with option. Click on add people and groups. Then you can just select the person. Then click on send. Now once they accept the invitation, the calendar will be shared with them as well. You could also get a shareable link for this calendar. So if you just click on copy link and paste it wherever you want, those people will also be able to see this exact meeting, this exact event in the calendar. That's it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.